Okay, let's continue from where we left off yesterday. Back to price action. Remember what I said yesterday? As you can see, price was shifting market structure on the monthly time frame. Remember what he said? The monthly time frame doesn't have a lot of price action, but from what he said yesterday, remember as I told you that when price is on uptrend, the previous down close candles, the level of the previous down close candles, the support price to keep on going up. As you can see, what is happening here today. When we left off yesterday, when you can recap, you can even watch these videos on YouTube. You can even watch these videos on YouTube because. I'm always uploading these videos on YouTube or under a channel which is specified as Net Capitals. So what is happening here? Okay. As you can see, guys, what is happening here? Uh, the level of this candle is supporting price. As you can see, this is an up close candle opening here, showing that price gaining momentum to go up. Same as this, the level of this candle. Same as the level of this candle. Same as the level of this. Just continue where we left off from the previous video. Same as the level of this candle. Same as the level of this candle. Actually, sorry guys, I didn't specify. This is I'm just new to this video thing. This is actually volatility 25.1s. Which specifically means that it has 25% volatility. This is a derived synthetic code. As you can see, shift of market structure here. Remember when I say that price creates liquidity, engineers liquidity. When it's on a trend, pulls back and then wipes it out. Engineers new liquidity, pulls back, wipes it out. Okay. Now let's move to the weekly. I really love doing this, guys. Out of my own heart, actually. I don't actually have a fee set for this. I used to have a fee set for this when I started. I think I was too cocky. When you learn from Michael J. Halston, when you get that light bulb moment, you become cocky, a little bit of cocky. Cause like it was just my first time meeting price action that raw, bro. When I started watching Michael J. Halston, shout out Michael J. Halston, Inner Circle Trading. It was my first time watching price action that raw, that raw is just so real. Remember what I said about this yesterday? This right here, the level, this level. It shows that there was liquidity here. As I said, when price triggers the other side of the marketplace, it's likely to reverse. Actually, don't control price; we anticipate it. We don't control price; we anticipate it. So this was triggered out here. We moved in price, shift the market structure. You can see continue this rally. This is a weekly now. As you can see, this is a whole range. Whole range. It would be like a perfect entry. Make a whole lot of money out of this. When you're in the leading phase, don't be quick to think about money. This is going to hammer you. When you're quick to earn profit, it will hammer you. This algorithmic. If you understand what's algorithmic, so you have to study and master the algorithm before you even think about making money. This is where we are today. I also referenced about this. Let me bring the Arabic. I also touched on this yesterday. Let me trigger it again so that you can see. I also touched on this the level of this previous down close candles supporting price to go up. As you can see, I marked them out yesterday on the video that I uploaded on YouTube. The level of this the previous down close candles here is the open and close of this candle supporting price to go up. As you can see, the level of this candle. Actually, let me show you something. You see this here, open, let me say, open, close. It's a down close candle because it opened here, up and it closed down. This is an up close candle because it opens here and it closes up. As you can see, one secret that I can teach you is that the wicks, we don't actually consider the wicks that much because the wicks don't have liquidity. When price engineers liquidity, when it leaves out these sticks you see, empty sticks, we call them wicks. It's a wick and a body. The wicks is where price had failed to engineer liquidity, so we is somehow technically they're just a gap. Because when you switch to this, you see this level, there's a wick here. I just want to touch on this and clear it out so you can realize what I'm talking about. As you can see, the level where there's a wick, you'll never find it. Go back to the candlesticks. As you can see here, if it here, it becomes clear. Get clarity. You see, it's empty now. You see. Let's go back to the candlesticks. You see, there's a wick. That's where price had failed to engineer liquidity, so it leaves out the wicks. So above or below the wicks, there's liquidity actually. Liquidity we consider the open and close, the body. Liquidity is inside the body of the candlestick. So you can see the body of this candle is gaining support from this from the body of this down close candle, same level. As you can see, it's not piercing down, no weak, respected it perfectly. Rally up or open close, up close candle, down close candle. You mark out this level. It's funny if you mark out this level. Let me show you something. I'm showing you, these are gems, guys. I'm dropping gems right here. Gems. I'm just gonna use the body, not like the entire candle. The body is just so tiny and it's just so funny. I'm gonna show you something. You see what is happening? The level, just the level of this body. Look at how it's supporting price to go up. Look at this down close candle failing to pierce down. As you can see, it's still respected. As you can see, this up close candle. Look, the momentum is continuing. Why are we continuing? Remember, liquidity. Price is driven by liquidity. Why are we continuing? Because there's liquidity here. There's liquidity above here. Above this up close candle, there's liquidity. There's buy side liquidity. This is what inspires price to go up, because everything here, when you're teaching algorithmic price action, or you're algorithmic price action student, you realize that everything relates. The previous down close candles are supporting price to go up. Why is it price going up? Because there's buy side liquidity over here. So these are order blocks candles. Order block candles. Change state of delivery. Definition of order block. You can note this down. The level of these previous down close candles is supporting price to keep on going up. I'm not saying I'm controlling price, but the logical target where price could be headed to is above here, because there's buy side liquidity. Price had been on an uptrend, guys. From the monthly, you can go back to the monthly. What I love about the higher time frames, they give you clarity. This is why I always spend most of my time on the higher time frames. They give you clarity, as you can see from the monthly. Look at this down close candles. Look just the way the level of the down close candles, how they're being respected as price tries pulls back, retraces. It respects the level of this down close candles and it support price to go up. As you can see, the down close candles. This is the monthly time frame, less price action, but it gives you clarity. It gives you a lot of clarity, as you can see. Same level of the down close candle, supporting price to go up, as you can see. Same level of this down close candles, as you can see. Same level of the down close candles, supporting price to go up. Price set it up, as you can see. This is where we are currently at. Let's price action. This is the weekly time frame. Also considered as major. Shift of market structure here again. Created a new high. Liquid pullback. Got support on the level of this candle. Rally. Continue the momentum. I guess because we anticipate price, we don't control it. Remember, you have to anticipate price, but not try to control it and or predict where it's headed to next. But you just anticipate price and just look at the next logical thing price could do. Even if I just want to show you something, let me use the body of this. I want to show you something. The gems, bro. I'm sharing something very important. The gem. Look at this body. Previous down close candle. Order block. Previous down close candle. You see? Look at all of this support here. Look at this. Open, close, down, close candle. Look at this body. Look how beautiful it is. The level of the previous down close candle supporting price to go up. It's just so amazing, guys. Even here, same level. Look, same thing. It's like a duplicate. Look how price reacts. Just the next candle, the open of the next candle, up close candle, open here, same level as this previous down close candle. How tiny it is supporting such a big candle to open and close with a lot of liquidity. Just look at this. Look at the body of this candle, how huge it is compared to the candle that is supporting it. Level of the previous down close candle supporting price to go up. Vice versa, when price has to come down, the level of the previous up close candles rejects price to go down. Here, this is an up close candle. With this little bit of pullback retracement, you can see it has rejecting price to go down, but defining it on a momentum, not on this, on a momentum. On a rally where price, when we are selling short, the indication, one indication, which is a technical tactic that you can use, is that the previous up close candles, when price is on a downtrend, they reject price and push it down. When price is on an uptrend, the previous down close candles, they support price and push it up. As we are realizing here, this is what is happening here. Okay, let's go to the other time frames for clarity. I like using like this other time frames, guys. I don't think it's popular amongst the trading community, these other time frames, but I just like using most, like all of them. This hour 12 actually. I also consider it as a major hour 12. Look at this. This is an entry. Look at this rally. Like a bit of pullback here. Can double down. Look. Hour 12. This is a previous down close candle. Look at where this line is. Let me make it out. This line, look, I'm putting it where this candle is. Oh, it opened here, this candle, and it closed here. Opened here, closed here. It's a down close candle. Look at how it's supporting price. Let me add another. As you can see, look at the level of this candle. Look, just look at this level of this candle. Look at it. Opened here, closed here. It's a down close candle. Look at how price reacts. Just look at how price reacts. Look at how beautifully how price reacts. Rally, respected the level again here, as you can see, then continued with the rally. Look at this. They had marked out this down close candle. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Look at how price is respecting this and rally again. Because why? What's the motive? What's the objective? Buy side liquidity resting here. There's buy side liquidity resting above here. As you can see, guys, there's buy side liquidity resting above here. This is what is triggering price to move up there. Order blocks previous here, these are order blocks. Here their purpose is the previous down close candle supporting price to go up. It's an indication that we're on an uptrend. Look at this level. I repeat, look at this. Open, close, open, up and close, down close candle. The next candle, look, it's an up close candle. Look at the momentum. Look, even when there's a pullback, just look at how price respects that level. Because why? It has a motive to go up here and clear out liquidity. Let's go down with the other time frame, guys. There are a lot of time frames out here, if you've realized. Just a lot of people just love skipping stuff. They don't want to put in the work. I want to show you something. You see what I've just done here? The level of this candle, you see? Here, this candle right here. This level, let me do this, mark it out completely so that you can see what I'm talking about. This is a whole previous down close candle. Look at it. Look at it. Look at its level. Look at its level. Look at it. Here, this is a previous down close candle. As you can see, you see, fast forward, we're moving forward. Look at how price reacts to it. This one, don't mind it. These are the levels of that previous down close candle on our 12. Look at this one. The one I've just marked out right now. Look at it. Open, close, the down close candle. Fast forward, we come here. Look at it. Look at how price respects this level, and it rallies up. This is a beautiful entry. This can make a beautiful entry. It rallies up, targeting the buy side liquidity above these candles. The wicks, they carry liquidity. Above the wicks, there's buy side liquidity. Below them, there's sell side liquidity. But they're just gaps. They don't have. The body is the one which defines liquidity. The open and close of the candle. Candle range theory. Some call it CRT. Above these candles, there's buy side liquidity. There was buy side liquidity. It got triggered out. There's buy side liquidity here. There's buy side liquidity above here. There's buy side liquidity above here. Definitely buy side liquidity above here. This one is price to come up here because of liquidity. Supported by what? By the previous down close candles. This level, look. Open, close, down close candle. Even the next, look at the body of this up close candle. The next one, next to it. Look at the body. How it respects price. The body didn't go below the body of the previous down close candle. It respected it. Look. Look at the next one. Beautiful rally. Beautiful rally. It came here on a pullback, clearing out the sell liquidity after it bumped out a high here, shifted market structure, which was the high side, shifted market structure here. We rallied back, clearing out sell liquidity. Okay, let me show you something now. When price is on a downtrend, the previous up close candles, they reject price to go down. I've got to show you the vice versa side of it. These are previous up close candles, you can see. So price was about to come down here. Here price wanted to come down, clearing out the after it had bumped out this buy side liquidity. Remember what I said, when price bumps out the other side of the marketplace, it actually changes its direction. It bumped it out, as you can see, decided to come for the sell liquidity below here, below these candles. Sell liquidity, the sell liquidity here, sell liquidity below these candles, sell liquidity here, sell liquidity below these candles. That's why price came here, showing that it's still on uptrend. It respected the previous down close candle, which is here. But I just wanted to show you the vice versa side of things. When price is on a downtrend, the previous up close candles that reject price. Look at the level of this previous up close candle here, here, here. It's rejected price, pushing it down. I can show you the other previous up close candles rejecting price, guys. Let me show you so that you have clarity what I'm talking about. This is another up close candle, you can see. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The level of this green candle, the buy side candle, rejecting price, pushing it down. Look at this. Look at this. This is algorithmic. This is pure, raw, authentic, naked price action. No channels, no what. Look at this. Look at this. how price is respecting the body of this previous up close candle. Look at this wick, just touching just the tip, the end of the body of this previous up close candle, and price continues to rally down. I can mark them out. I can even mark this one out also. The level is rejecting price to go down. Let me show you. Just look at how this previous up close candle. Why up close? Open here, closed here, level of it. How it inspires price to go down, pushing price down. Opened here, closed here, opened here, closed here, up close candle, inspiring price to look at it. The next candle which follow. Look at this. Look at the body of this candle. Don't mind the wick. Remember what I told you about the wicks. Look at the body of this down close candle, the one which follows. Look at this, the other up close candle. Look at how it is getting rejected. Look at this, pushing price down. Look, it's a rally now. Even I can mark this one out. It's pushing price down. Price getting pushed down because we're targeting the sell side liquidity. So the previous up close candles are rejecting price to go down. Remember, I told you that everything is related here with price algorithmic price action. So as we're targeting the sell side liquidity, the previous up close candles are rejecting price to go down. But the motive right now is that we're flipping up to the buy side. We're on an uptrend. I just wanted to clear this out to give you clarity what is happening, because I just told you that the previous up close candles, they reject price to go down when price is on a downtrend. What I had told you the most was that the previous down close candles, they support price to go up when on an uptrend, as you had seen. So when you're on a downtrend, the previous up close candles, they reject price, pushing it down. Vice versa, when on an uptrend, the previous down close candles, they support price, pushing it up. I hope you understood, guys. Okay, let's continue. This section hour 6. On the next lesson, I'll be teaching you external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, displacements, fair value gaps, imbalances. A fair value gap is also an imbalance. It's also a displacement. How to use the Fibonacci, Fibonacci arcs, Fibonacci retracement, expansion. I will teach you how to use all the Fibonacci's. Another thing will be what I think internal external range liquidity. That's our next focus. That would be our next topic. Right now, I think we've covered referencing on the importance of higher time frames because they give you clarity, as you had seen. I teach you about the previous down close candle supporting price when in an uptrend, which indicates momentum. When you want to enter, how you do. If you want to see the bias of the bias direction of the price is, how do you realize it? Is when you see previous up close candles rejecting price, pushing it down, it's showing that we're on a downtrend. When the previous down close candles supporting price, pushing it up, it shows that we're on an uptrend. I hope everything is covered, guys. I'm just going through other time frames. So I show you. I just want to show you that there's several time frames so that people are aware of the few ones People are lazy with this. This actual, guys, you gotta learn, because with trading you need knowledge. Trading you need gnosis to win at this, because it's algorithmic. So you gotta understand a lot for you to prosper in this. It took me a lot of time to understand this, guys. I have a lot of patience actually when it comes to other things, to valuable things. Yeah. As you can see, hour 3, I can just show you even now the level of the previous down close candle. Look at this. You see this level? Look at it. It's the same level of that tiny candle. Remember from the weekly time frame, or is it the weekly or the daily? I just spotted it because it's different. It's different in how price moves from this time frame, from time frame to time frame. This hour 3, you can see. Look how beautiful. I told you this could make a beautiful entry. A lot, you can make a lot of profit out of this. People who entered from here have made a lot of profit, I'm sure. Oh, you've realized something. Pardon me, guys. Let me just pull out the next the another arrow. It's just what's 10 fast. You see the level of this candle on hour 3, supporting price to go up. As you can see how price reacts to this. People who entered here, actually they made like beautiful profit. As you can see, they might if they understand algorithmic price movement, they would have doubled down on this, increasing their positions here. It's a beautiful entry, very beautiful entry. If you enter from here, it's a very beautiful entry. You can go along because you're actually targeting the buy side liquidity above here. Let me finish with the time frames. We'll be done for the day. So hour 2 is next. For now, I think I'm just gonna end with the hour 1. The next session, that's where we'll cover all of the time frames. I just wanted to show you something before I just pass. Look at the level of this previous down close candles. How are they supporting price? Look at this. This is just so beautiful. Level of this down close candles. How they support price? Look at this. Look how price reacts here. The level of these candles. As you can see, the level of the previous down close candles. How they support price to keep on going up. Let's go to R1. They'll be done for the day, guys. Subscribe to the channel and keep on uploading this such content. I love doing this actually. Subscribe to my channel, Nest Capitals. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I really appreciate your support. I'm gonna keep doing this for y'all. Keep doing this for y'all. As long as I'm still breathing, I'm gonna keep doing this for y'all. Cause I understand how hard this is to understand, to figure out. You can see, you see the level, this level of this is a down close candle. Look at this other candles, the up close candle, the follow up candles. Look at how they respect this level and rally up just so smoothly. I can't even bring it here. Like, you see, supporting price to go up. It's just so beautiful, guys. Actually, thank you for your time. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you, guys. Bless up. Oh.